Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for taking me to 300. Thank you so much. I know the next video I'm going to be posting is going to be appreciating you all for taking me to 1000. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm going to be doing a little introduction on this video today, to talk about my channel and to show you what I have today for all of you. So this channel is all about faith, fashion, healthy style, and lifestyle as a whole, like earthly living. Sometimes if you go through my videos, you will see where I post some like what you can use in the morning for breakfast and all that, what can keep you healthy. Also talk about faith about what God has been doing and all that. And also I also talk about fashion because I'm so passionate about fashion. So and also blog as well. I vlog my trip here because I love traveling. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sew a button to your dress or trouser or shirt. So don't go anywhere. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button, so in case I drop any new video, you'll get to view it at that time that I just dropped the video. So thank you everyone. So to start this, I know most of us, for example, I know it happens to me a lot. Maybe I have decided I'm going to wear this dress or a shirt or a trouser, and maybe when I'm putting it on, a button will just fall off. So instead of me abandoning the dress or the shirt, I will tell myself, no. Since I have a needle and a thread, you must always have this at home, a needle and a thread at home at all times, because anything can happen. So instead of you abandoning the dress to look for what to wear at that time, maybe you're in a hurry or something, or maybe you're going to the office, you're going to an event, so you can just use your needle and your thread and just tack and sew the button onto your shirt, because this won't take you up to a minute. Yes, it will take you up to a minute. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So so right now we have our needle here, then we have our thread, then you have a scissors, so you can have a sharp object that you can use to cut the thread from the dress. Then we have different kind of button. So this button has one hole, this two has one hole, then this has four holes, and this has two holes. Yes, two holes. So but for this shirt of mine, it only has the button has only one hole. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So before you start, I've already fixed my thread to the needle, so but I've not tied the knot of the thread. So make sure at all time you tie the knot, so you won't have trouble going in and coming out, like fixing the needle to the button, and before you know it, you just come out from that hand. So now it's well knotted. I don't know if you can see this, is well knotted. So you take the button, and this is where, if you can see this place is roughed, because this is where the button fell off from. So you just make sure you place the button properly, then hold it with your finger, then turn it backward, then use your needle. Make sure you use your needle to find, since it's one hole, sometimes very difficult to find the hole, but make sure you use your needle to trace it, to trace the hole. Yes, I just got it. So that's it. So you bring it out, and don't forget, we knot the end of the thread so that it won't come off at this other hand. So you go again. Yes, it's very simple. It will take you up to a minute. Then make sure you put it like this, like to knot it tight. You can see that. Then go again one more time. You can do it 4 times or 3 times. It depends how tight you do it the first time. So this, here we go. So let me do mine. This is the third time I'm doing this, or the fourth time, right? And here we go. So we have to knot it very well. Then we'll just take it up. Just put your needle in between the thread again and knot it properly. And make sure it's very, very firm and tight, so that the button will not remove again at any time soon. Make sure you knot it again. And here we go. Simple and fast. And look at it. You can see that it's aligned with the ones that are there already. You can see. So you now take your scissors and cut the remaining thread off. Boom. And here it is. So I can put on my shirts on at any time, any day. I don't have that trouble to start looking for another dress to wear, you know. So I will just do this and boom, and I'm ready to go to my party, to my office, to my event, to my wedding, just like that. So thank you for staying tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Press the notification button and tell other people to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye.